Here's another one. This is a tool that I got in. This is from Joe. Here's another one. This is a tool that I got in. This is from Joe over at Gunsmither Tools. This is the SmithMaster, and Joe sent this over here to me, and I'm going to be using it to put a Smith & Wesson little 32 back together. This is the SmithMaster. It's Delrin plastic, basically, and it's got these ridges in it, and those are so you get a good grip on it. It's right here. See, there is one side. It's case hardened, and this is heat shrink to keep from marring. The other side is a fork, and it's case hardened, and it's got heat shrink tubing on it as well. Now, what this is for with Smith & Wesson revolvers, while I'm walking away for a second to grab the revolver, I'll see if you guys can study that for a second. The way that this works is you've got, this is responsible, your trigger actually goes against this. This is what is in essence your trigger spring right here. And the way that this tool works is your trigger would go right here. Let me just grab it. And I'm not putting this together right here, I'm just going to give you a little quick demonstration. Your trigger would go right here, and this you have to get that in there and the spring compressed to where it is up against that post. Now this end of it right here was used, and you've got your heat shrink on it right there. So I can't talk, damn. Your heat shrink on it right there, and it'll keep from marring. And that is set up to where you can get in and you can push on that spring and work it up. And it's got the notch in it to go around that post. Really, really nice setup. Now this other side is for reinstalling, and from the best I gather, you've got this area here that's set up so it can slide over that post. You put the spring in right there, and you get this in place, and then you push, and that whenever you push, having that wedge cutout area down there will allow you to push that spring right over that, and you can push tilt down and it'll go right into place. But that is the SmithMaster, and I'm looking forward to trying this out. He's got a bunch more tools and everything over there. They're specific tools for specific applications, and so you guys might check him out. We'll see how this does. I'll be doing a review on this. I do a lot of these revolvers, and we'll see how durable it is, how well it holds up, how well it works. He's aware of the fact that I'm going to be doing a review on his tooling, or at least on this tool, and see how it works. And I'll definitely keep you guys updated on it. And you'll be seeing the reassembly of this. This will be completing a series that I've already started. Alright, we're going to test this end of the tool now for removal. Let's see if he has any instructions on a specific direction. No, not in particular. So I'm pushing in. And prying up. Very nice. Very nice setup. I like that. Shuttle there. It's going to go in like that. And this is where the SmithMaster is supposed to really shine. This is mainly the reason why I got this. It's supposed to allow me to put this in like that right there. Just like that. Boy, that was nice. Much better than the alternatives, let me tell you. Tamp it down. I will definitely tell you that, Joe, you've got a good tool here. I like that. Did a good job. Seems, you know, I had to press pretty hard on that. That's a stiff spring, and that's the tip that I used. You can see a little bit of scuffing from the spring there, but it's very much so intact. It's in very good shape. I'm impressed with this tool so far. The knurling here, it gives a really good grip. Good positive grip. No flex in it. Everything's good and sturdy and solid. And so I'll do a long range report on this, but as everything stands right now, I like this tool. Very good tool. Under 30 bucks. Well worth that. So there. See, you've got